God bless everybody today. It's October 10th of 2023. I wanted to post this video of Erdogan. He's been speaking recently, and he's accusing the U.S. of planning a massacre on the Gaza Strip due to we're moving naval ships and things over there. So I want you to hear what he's saying. He's extremely concerned about this and what we're doing, shipping all these things over there so that we can help Israel. And I keep telling you, he's getting ready to leave the NATO and the EU. He's not going to probably get his F-16s now, that they're going to supply him probably to either Ukraine or Israel, because this puts Turkey way down the line. And so I wanted to show you this because I think it's important that out of his mouth you understand what he's saying, and that this is extremely important. And like I say, we're getting ready to watch this massive invasion into Gaza with a total siege on Gaza from Israel and its friends, which would be us. We're going to be probably bombing Gaza or picking surgical strikes in other areas that are being affected. And then Hezbollah and Turkey are going to come down in, Gaza's probably going to get attacked. As that's happening, Hezbollah is going to hit them from the north. And then Turkey's going to see all this happen and go, you know what? It's my turn. I'm going to make the shots in this one. So watch what he says here, because this is pretty important, I believe.
Amerika uçak gemisini İsrail'e gönderiyor. Amerika'nın uçak gemisinin İsrail'de ne işi var? Ne yapmaya geliyor? Ve buraya gelen uçak gemisinin etrafında bütün botlarıyla, uçak gemisindeki uçaklarıyla ne yapacak? Orada bütün artık Gazze'yi, etrafını vurarak, indirerek çok ciddi katliamlara adım atacak.
Now, why is this important? Because he wants to protect the Temple Mount, but he's also talking about protection of these areas, and he's wanting to be humanitarian, and he doesn't want to bring the U.S. into the war because he really doesn't necessarily like Israel that much. He's their nemesis based on the Ottoman Empire and their history. So he may look like he's a friend. He may want to do some humanitarians, and they're talking about this humanitarian corridor that they're building, but he's going to exploit that and use that as a potential avenue to get his military down in there even faster. And so you need to watch these areas and think about it. If Israel's attacking Gaza, we keep talking about how Erdogan would come down into Syria, into Lebanon, through Tyre, Lebanon, down through Israel, and into Gaza before going to Egypt. He just might be looking at that right now thinking, you know what, I may have to do this myself. Because the minute the U.S. steps in this room, the whole Middle East changes. And Israel is threatening right now to change the whole Middle East. It won't be the same after this is over. I'll guarantee it. God bless everybody. I wanted to show you this. This is going to ramp up quickly. When Erdogan uses extreme vocabulary like massacring things in the Gaza Strip, this is going to turn out really bad and ugly. And so we really need to watch how this is going to play out. I showed you where you find this video. I don't know anything about this person. But I did think the video was extremely interesting, and it was brought to my attention, so I thought I would bring it to yours. God bless you. God bless everyone. Find the open door. Find Jesus. This is going to break down quick, and I keep talking about that December 22nd date, where this man potentially could bring 10 nations against Israel, and we are on the doorstep of total destruction in the Middle East. God bless. Find the open door. Find Jesus. Be safe out there. Things are going to get crazy soon.